Well, how the mRNA vaccine works, Fareed, is that it's essentially a set of instructions that tell the body to make a harmless piece of virus. And that way, the immune system learns to respond to it. And then the next time when it's exposed to that disease, it knows to fight it really quickly. The reason why the mRNA technology is so transformative is that previously the traditional vaccine technologies may take months or years to produce a vaccine in large quantity. The mRNA process cuts that time down to a matter of weeks to months. And that time savings could really be a huge difference when it comes to a novel virus, as we saw during COVID, or if we have a pandemic in the future that where we need to have large scales of vaccines be deployed and manufactured, then we do need technology like mRNA instead of relying on cells and egg-based vaccines that will take a lot longer.
The new head of the NIH, which said, look, we're still doing some basic research, but there were a lot of potential side effects. So we didn't know what the correct dosage was. There were all kinds of unanswered questions about mRNA that we need to first thoroughly investigate before we jump all in on the mRNA. What do you say to that?
I would say that at this point, the mRNA vaccines, specifically the COVID vaccines from Pfizer and Moderna, are some of the most well-studied vaccines in the world. They have been given to hundreds of millions of people worldwide. There are many studies now showing their safety. We do know that in terms of efficacy, that they are not so effective at preventing disease, but they are very effective at reducing the likelihood of severe disease, especially in vulnerable people. We also know that there could be potentials to treat cancers. There are now clinical trials ongoing, for example, to treat pancreatic cancer using mRNA technology, which is a very deadly cancer. Why would we not want to have every tool at our disposal and continue the investments that have already been made?